support for the people of Palestine, the Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi was actually seen carrying a bag. Now that's the image on your screens. If you're wondering what is special about the bag, if you look very clear, there's also, a signage that you see on the extreme right of your screens that includes a watermelon seen as a symbol of the Palestinian solidarity. And to that particular bag, there have been a lot of
Shadow Prime Minister Sonia Gandhi ji, and now followed by opposition leader Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Vadra. All the members of the family of the Gandhi dynasty.
आप फिलिस्तीन को अपने बैग पे इसलिए दिखा रहे हैं कि आप अपीजमेंट की पॉलिटिक्स के लिए कांग्रेस जानी जाती है, लेकिन आपको चुनाव दिख रहा है आने वाले।
नहीं, इसमें कोई नया नहीं है। प्रियंका जी के बैग पे फिलिस्तीन नहीं तो आप क्या अपेक्षा करते और क्या लिखा जाए? पहले इटली लिखा होता था, अब
So strong charges there that have been leveled by the BJP. Let's also get in our colleague Niyamika, who's joining us live. Niyamika, is there any response yet that has come in from Priyanka in particular and the Congress in general, considering that this has
Palestinians, and for that reason today also it is a mark of a solidarity what she has done, as she was carrying a bag in which it was clearly being mentioned Palestine, and not just this but in fact within the Palestine, as this is not the very first time when she is making such kind of a remark in particular, as earlier also we have seen that in various Instagram posts or even tweets also made this tweet in which she has mentioned that it is very much needed to condemn the actions which have been taken on the part of the Israel, as in fact we have also seen that how the politics has also erupted over this entire matter. The BJP, which this entire matter related to the Bangladeshi Hindus was being raised by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra within the parliament. Not just this, but in fact the Congress party's MPs also held a protest at the parliament premises in which they were clearly, she is also raising a concern for the continuous attacks which are happening in Bangladesh against the Hindu community.
All right, Niyamika, just allow me a moment. We have the very first response to that counter that has come in from the BJP. This is
who's going to decide what clothes I wear now? Who's going to decide that? That's typical patriarchy, that you decide what clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want.
This may be asked by the BJP friends only, because BJP friends are only confused with the essence of the feeling of those people who are discriminated. The way the minorities in Bangladesh has been are being treated. Why BJP friends always take this kind of issues which is very sensitive?
The Hindus of Bangladesh, we stand by Palestinians because it's an age-old stand of the Congress party and the nation on the whole. If we so against Palestine, let the external...
I don't think I want to get into that. And Bangladesh also, wherever we congressmen, our leaders are always with those people who are affected, who are attacked by others.
The BJP, but the MP herself has responded to that grave charge. Let's listen in once more to what Priyanka Gandhi has to say. You want to...
Who's going to decide that? That's typical patriarchy, that you decide what clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want. What clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want.
All right, so Priyanka, they're saying, Niyamika, I'll wear what I want to wear. Is this really about a man versus a woman? Is this really about...
Voices coming in on the part of the Congress party as the manner in which the BJP is making this allegation and an attack upon the Congress that they are just doing appeasement politics ahead of the Delhi Assembly election to seek the votes from Subha MP, Mr. Manikam Tagore, as he has taken a dig over the BJP MP, saying that they were actually having trophies at that point of time when Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was speaking about the Bangladeshi Hindus, because not just about her speech, saying that it is the BJP who is trying to play politics over this entire matter, because it is her personal opinion, it is her personal choice to carry whatever bag she likes, and that is what is being repeated by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well.